This method is free for all, available worldwide, and requires no technical skills or large social media following. All you have to do is just answer a few questions from people like you around the world and begin to earn $50 every day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn $50 per day by answering questions as a way to make money online in 2022. Ever heard of Quora? If you don't know what this is or never heard about it before, don't worry. I'm going to teach you all you need to know on how you can use it to make money without even spending a dime. You would see for yourself why this is good for beginners or even those without any experience pretty soon. Make money, Olivia. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you could be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. Just to be clear, this technique can work for a wide number of opportunities, depending on whichever you prefer. However, for the sake of this tutorial, we would be making use of the platform, UPLEAP.com. Basically, as the name implies, this platform enables you to buy Instagram followers and grow your account very fast. Don't pay too much attention to its services though. We're not going to be using this platform's service to earn $50 per day by answering questions. It is, however, a component of our strategy. With that said, I'd like you to go to the bottom of the page and look for the Learn section. Under that, you would see the affiliates portion for you to just click on. You will then be led to this page right here, which will show the UPLEAP affiliate program. As you can see, it says help others grow their Instagram audience faster and get commissions at the same time. So today's method is going to revolve around the promotion of the services offered, where you would get people to purchase their services through you and be credited with commissions. We will be able to make a lot of money by following these instructions. The steps are clearly visible here. Begin by signing up to be an affiliate for free. This strategy, as I have stated, is completely free. The second step, you'll create your own URL that you'll be able to share with others. Third step is to broadcast your unique link anywhere you want to broadcast it. I'll show you just how the power of Quora would accomplish this step and earn $50 per day by answering questions. Basically, you'll make a lot of money from the percentages offered on each purchase made by your affiliates. As you can see from the packages right here, they have a lot to offer, and these are going to sell like hotcake when you advertise them. Every person that will purchase a monthly package on UPLEAP will give you high percentage commissions. Take note that you won't have to buy these packages yourself. All you have to do is show these packages to the people who actually need this. Think of it like this. You only get to work just a couple of hours, and after the exertion of that effort, you will then be paid for months or maybe even years. This has a massive earning potential. It's hard to believe that you can earn a year's worth of money just by working for a couple of hours, but it's not impossible. You can even track all the subscriptions and earnings on your personal UPLEAP dashboard. And again, if the person you refer has been buying packages, you will then get paid directly. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. Going back to the affiliates page in here, you can also just sign up and provide the needed data to their boxes. And then you're now an UPLEAP affiliate, just like that. It's that simple. Upon signing up, you'll also be given the unique link that I was talking about. Now that you have your account and your custom link, the next thing you will do is share the link to people on this platform that I'm about to show you. Assuming that you already have your script on how to sell or promote the services of UPLEAP, together with your affiliate link, we will then paste it right on Quora.com, where we would begin to earn $50 per day by answering questions. This platform is a medium where people ask questions and get personalized answers. Think of it like a questions forum. There are a lot of people on this site, and they ask a lot of questions about a lot of things, you name it. According to SimilarWeb, Quora sees a monthly visit of up to 637 million people, with over 38% of them coming from one of the highest purchasing powered country, USA. So this is a wonderfully amazing platform to advertise your unique link. For instance, a person can be looking for information on how to increase Instagram followers. Quora will then show you all the related questions and forums that are related to your question after you click the search button. Because there are so many individuals who are interested in this issue, our personalized link would be in high demand for those who wish to make a lot of money on Instagram. Again, if someone buys a package, you'll collect a lot of money in commissions, which can last for months or even years. It's a great way to supplement your lifestyle and your basic requirements when you earn $50 per day by answering questions. Now let's go to one post here on how to grow your Instagram followers. You can see that the question has answers. This is where we're going to make our move. We're just going to click on these questions. Post the script that you formulated, basically saying that they need this service together with your custom link to grow their Instagram followers, and by clicking on that link, they are guaranteed growth in their specific channels. Your answer to their questions is going to be more meaningful than the rest, because you're providing them with value and a direct answer to their problem of growing Instagram followers. You can just go ahead now and sign up on Quora.com. You can either use Google or your Facebook account to sign up, or you can use only your email address. You now have a user account, and all you have to do is copy and paste your script to every question about increasing Instagram followers. And because there are thousands of viewers that are interested in the same thing, boosting their Instagram followers, this will generate a huge passive income stream for you. Now to summarize, this will be a great way for the new online moneymakers, since this requires little to no work. So make sure to try the strategy and get to supply all your financial needs. And that's it, how to earn $50 per day by answering questions. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Olivia, I love you.